This is the AI News Flash for June 19th, 6 p.m. UTC. First up, the U.S. Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, FERC, has issued orders to speed up grid connections for AI data centers. On June 18th, the 5 commissioners voted to issue show-cause orders to all 6 regional grid operators under Section 206 of the Federal Power Act. The targets are PJM, the Mid-Continent, Southwest Power Pool, California, New England, and New York ISOs, while Texas, which sits outside federal jurisdiction, is excluded. Large loads of 20 megawatts or more will bear more of the interconnection upgrade costs themselves, rather than passing them on to everyday ratepayers. The aim is to shrink an interconnection queue backlog that is stretched into years. The orders also require operators to use grid-enhancing technologies such as dynamic line rating. This fulfills an October 2025 directive from Energy Secretary Chris Wright and marks progress on AI infrastructure's biggest constraint, the power bottleneck. Next, China's industrial sewing machine giant Jack technology will overhaul apparel manufacturing using Siemens industrial AI and humanoid robotics. Jack will adopt Siemens' new industrial AI orchestration software Intelligence Center X. It plans to bring Mendix for agentic low-code development and design center for product engineering into its sewing workshops. Headquartered in China, Jack is the world's top sewing equipment maker, serving customers in more than 160 countries. It expects to shorten development cycles, improve quality, and boost manufacturing efficiency by up to 30%. It's a sign of a broader shift across apparel manufacturing towards software-driven engineering, agentic low-code, and AI-enabled automation. Third, grocery delivery giant Instacart's agentic AI assistant is driving bigger orders. The assistant builds carts from conversational prompts, suggestions, or photos of shopping lists. It taps live inventory across roughly 100,000 stores, learns preferences from order history, and flags sale items. Orders placed with the AI assistant tend to be larger than usual, and shoppers use it not just to shop faster, but for complex tasks like recipe discovery and meal planning. A PYM&TIA survey found 64% of shoppers expect to shop with AI agents within 2 years, and 30% expect to do so frequently. Instacart announced the rollout on June 18th, targeting full US and Canada coverage within months. Finally, quant fund giant D.E. Shaw has quietly built a generative AI team for human capital. The firm is hiring an AI specialist for human capital, working with large language models and generative AI tools. The role uses prompt design, retrieval augmented generation, and agentic architectures to transform core HR processes. Pay runs $135,000 to $175,000 a year for those with undergraduate or master's degrees, and $150,000 to $200,000 for PhDs. By extending generative AI beyond investment decisions into internal talent management, the move shows finance's AI native shift reaching recruiting and HR. That's all for this AI News Flash.